Another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing how to make two really good grinders. So in this first grinder you're going to have to make something like this. You can make it with any block but just not wood. Place the hinge block, butter block, why does this oh my god, don't mind that. Actually, don't mind that. You launch the boat. You launch the boat. And you go, 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 and you go. Sorry guys, sorry I have to make you wait. You know what, I'm just gonna like just go around to these stages. And then you have to stop at the end. And then you have to literally just gobble up your butter. And just make sure you land. This was sponsored by another YouTube channel, my friend Mikhail. He's just my friend. Just go subscribe to him. I'll link the name of the channel in the description. And here we have the second boat. The boat I used to grind with. You can look at the side. You can pause the video. Okay, I hope you guys saw that. With the butter block, you can launch or anchor the boat, and you can go. I mostly made a lot of gold with this. Don't look at my gold right now. I spent it all on the scale tool. I mostly build some builds because Yep, and those are the grinders. So, I really hate when YouTubers say this in their videos, but like and subscribe for new videos like this.